Good morning, everyone. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good. So, in yesterday's class, we have horizontally added our numbers, and today we will see that how we have to solve the word problems. So, we will discuss these four questions that you are having in exercise 5, and after this, you will just solve them in your notebooks and then you will revert back with your assignments. So let us start its discussion from question number 1. And one thing that you have to keep in your mind is while solving word problems, you will always write the answer in the statement. Okay, so let and just keep your statements short and simple. Okay, just pick out few words from the question and then just complete your answer. No need to write big statement. You can just pick 2 3 4 words from the questions and go ahead with your answer. So let us start discussion of question number 1. Karen's farm grew 1270 mangoes last year. Her farm grew 1220 this year. How many mangoes did she grow in both years? Now it is given that the number of mangoes grew last year is 1270 and this year her farm grew 1220. How many mangoes did she grow in both years? Means you have to calculate the total number of mangoes that she grow in both years. So you just have to write mangoes grew last year is equal to 1270 and mangoes grew this year is equal to 1220 and just simply add, you will get the total number of mangoes grow. Right? Addition is simple, you just have to add these two numbers and this we have done. So similarly you just have to place the numbers one below the other and in that way you will get your answer. So let us move towards question number 2 now. Gina read the first 474 pages of a book. There are 554 pages left to read. How many pages does the book have? So you see, Gina read first 470 pages, right? And there are 554 pages left to read. Already she has read 474 and still she is left with 554 pages. So how many pages does the book have? So in this case what you will do, you will add, means pages, first pages of a book read is equal to 474 and pages left to read is equal to 554. In that way you will get total number of pages in the book. I hope this is clear to everyone. So now let us move to the next problem, that is third question. So here there were 1056 people traveling in a train. 380 more people climbed onto the same train at a station. How many people are traveling in the train now? Already there were 1056 people and 380 more people climbed onto the same train. Now you see the word more is written like it was mentioning there also now in previous question. So that means plus you have to add. So the number of people that were already traveling is equal to 1056 plus more people boarded is equal to 380. So just add, so you will get the total number of people that are traveling in the train. Okay. Now question number 4, in all these word problems we are just adding, so you need to figure out the words by which you can recognize by understanding the statement that you are to add in this particular word problems, because in during examination you are going to have mixed problems. So just make sure that you are getting the statement very clearly. Move towards question number 4. The flight attendant flew 3068 miles on her first trip, and then she flew 2575 miles on her second trip. What was the total distance she flew in those two trips? Now, the attendant flew 3068 miles on her first trip, and then she flew 2575 miles on second trips. What was the total distance she flew in those two trips? Total distance means add. So she flew on her first trip is equal to 3068, and she flew on her second trip is equal to 2575. In that way you will get the total distance she flew in those two trips. So you will add and you will get the answer. I hope these 4 word problems are clear to everyone. Now just try to solve these word problems in your notebooks along with the statements. Just try to write anyhow. Pick 3 or 4 words that I have suggested from the question, and then just go ahead with your assignment and send your answers here in the group. Thank you. Have a nice day.